First of all, if cloud is not giving you the scalability that you need as a business, and what I mean by scalability is that if your business grows, you need to pay for the capacity that you use. If you decide to shrink your business and say, for instance, you're going through retrenchment and all, you need to pay for exactly what you use. The second thing is the flexibility. Cloud has to give you the flexibility that you need as a business. You can never have a situation where you are confined to a certain type of technology and you have to be committed over a 3-year period. If you bet on one piece of technology and it doesn't work with you, you need to speak to your service provider and say, Menier, I'm not happy with how this thing is being configured, and I would like us to play around and change it as and when you go. And you need to pay for exactly what you use. The third one that we really need to look at is it needs to be on demand. It must be provisioned on demand. I need to be in control of what I provision as and when I need it. I don't need to have a 24, 36, 48, 60-month contract with a service provider of technology and give me something that I don't need. As an example that I made earlier, if I decide to retrench 50% of my staff, I need to be able to pay for 50% of my staff. And then obviously the last one has to do with cost. I've mentioned 3 key things: flexibility, scalability, on demand. There's a cost that comes with it. And the cost must follow all these things. If you say to me that this thing is flexible, but the costs are not following the flexibility, then for me it's not a true cloud. Now, as a business, these are key benefits of being able to play around and try out things. And if it works, you stick to it and you basically run. What are the key benefits of partnering with Vodacom? First of all, Vodacom has invested in the latest network in terms of our fiber optic cables that we've rolled out throughout the country. We are driving very hard in terms of enabling businesses to have immediate access to fiber, and that's really a big thing, and we are one of the leading players when it comes to fiber connectivity in businesses. Why do businesses need fiber? They need fiber to be able to run their IT. Who else is best to run your IT than a provider of network services? Because in essence, what you want as a business is one throat to choke when it comes to your technology. You don't want to have a situation where you sign up network services with one provider, sign up office applications with one provider, sign up devices that basically deliver the office applications with one provider. You want to have one service level agreement and get people to take ownership of your IT environment. Vodacom is able to bring to you the network, it's able to bring you the security that comes with the requirements of cloud, it's able to give you the infrastructure, the applications, and the platforms across different OEMs that are available out there. Vodacom has invested in a security professional services for those customers that are looking to cloud and are thinking that security is a vulnerability that they have. So before you even start the journey with us, we can invest time with you to look at where your vulnerabilities are from a security point of view and really start defining the technology from a security that are required to basically plug the gaps, like I said, from an industry, from a business point of view in terms of the requirements, and really take you to the cloud in a comfortable manner. So Vodacom does provide you with that one throat to choke when it comes to total cloud and the total transformation of your business, including the security aspect. And in fact, Vodacom is currently one of the very few providers in the country today that can give you a security operating center manned over 24 hours.